In this video, I'm going to teach you how to organize conversations into custom views in the inbox in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and once you're in there, just need to head over to your inbox. You can also click on the search and search right here for inbox option. Now from in there, you can find inbox, so click on this. Once you have opened your inbox, you just need to start creating. So onto this case, you just need to enter a clear descriptive name for the view that you want. So having here our first channel, just click on the this actions and click on this create a view. Now input right here the name for that. For example, let's just name this right now as custom. You can also assign emoji based on this. Click on next. And after that, you should be able to add a filter for this view. So input right here the filter. Like for example, let's input right here the assign to bot view. Let's choose true. And then you can also add a filter to that. Now click on create view once you're done. Now a view will be announced or will be added for this particular inbox. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.